Artificial intelligence, AI, has been disrupting industries for decades, with the potential to revolutionize the way we work and live. However, with the rise of AI comes the fear that it may replace human jobs, leaving many workers without employment opportunities. The impact of AI on jobs. AI is expected to have a significant impact on the job market in the coming years. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, 85 million jobs may be displaced by AI by 2025, while 97 million new jobs may be created. The jobs most likely to be impacted by AI include routine-based and repetitive jobs, such as data entry, administrative tasks, and manual labor. However, AI is also expected to create new job opportunities in fields such as healthcare, education, and technology. Jobs that are being replaced by AI. AI is already being used to automate many tasks that were previously performed by humans. Here are some examples of jobs that are being replaced by AI. Customer service representatives. AI chatbots are being used to answer customer inquiries and resolve issues. Bank tellers. Automated teller machines, ATMs, have already replaced many bank teller positions. Data entry clerks. AI algorithms can now read and extract data from documents, eliminating the need for data entry clerks. Assembly line workers. Robotic arms are being used to assemble products on assembly lines, reducing the need for human workers. Telemarketers. AI-powered software can now make automated sales calls, reducing the need for telemarketers. Jobs that are becoming more important. While some jobs are being replaced by AI, there are also jobs that are becoming more important as a result of AI. These include data analysts. AI generates vast amounts of data that need to be analyzed and interpreted by humans. Software developers. As AI becomes more sophisticated, there will be a growing need for software developers to create and maintain AI systems. Healthcare professionals. AI is being used to analyze medical data and assist in diagnosis, but healthcare professionals will still be needed to provide care and make treatment decisions. Cybersecurity professionals. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, there will be an increased need for cybersecurity professionals to protect against cyber threats. Preparing for the impact of AI. As AI continues to disrupt the job market, it's important for workers to prepare for the changes ahead. Here are some steps you can take to prepare for the impact of AI. Learn new skills. Workers will need to learn new skills in order to adapt to the changing job market. This may involve enrolling in training programs or going back to school. Stay informed. Stay up to date on the latest developments in AI and how they may impact your industry. Develop transferable skills. Focus on developing skills that are transferable across different industries, such as problem solving, critical thinking, and communication. Embrace lifelong learning. With the pace of technological change accelerating, it's important to adopt a mindset of lifelong learning and continuous upskilling. Conclusion. The impact of AI on the job market is undeniable, with some jobs being replaced by AI while others are becoming more important. It's important for workers to prepare for the changes ahead by developing new skills, staying informed, and adopting a mindset of lifelong learning. While the future may be uncertain, workers who are adaptable and willing to learn will be well positioned to succeed in the changing job market.